Your time is constantly pulled in different directions: emails, meetings, reports, approvals, team check ins. The average employee spends over 2 hours a day just organizing work before doing the actual work. What if an AI agent could handle the coordination layer for you? Yes, today we are going to talk about Copilot CoWork, your AI powered work partner built in right into Microsoft 365. So, what is CoWork? CoWork is not just another chatbot, it's an autonomous agent, AI agent that can plan, execute, and complete multi step work tasks on your behalf across your email, across your documents, across your calendar, and more, all from a single interface. Right out, once if you click on this cowork, you can see three tasks which are immediately available. One is organize my inbox. So what's this? Cowork reviews your email, categorizes them by priority, drafts responses, and surfaces what needs your attention most urgently. Once you click there, you can see the prompt available for you. You no need to enter the prompts, just press enter. If you want, you can customize this and press this. That's all. Cowork will take the action. Next comes arrange my week. It looks at your calendar, your pending task, and your workload and builds a structured plan for your week, protecting focus time and flagging conflicts. Next comes prep for meeting. Before your next meeting, Cowork pulls relevant emails, documents, and notes and gives you a concise briefing so you walk in prepared. These aren't prompts. These are tasks that Cowork effectively and actively works through for you. Beyond this, if you just click on the show more, you can see even more actions what Copilot CoWork can do it for you. Here is where it gets powerful for a busy managers, a scheduled task. You can see here that this is a scheduled task. Under the scheduled action, here you can set CoWork to run recurring tasks automatically. For example, every Monday morning at 8 a.m., send you a daily briefing summary of your calendar, 100 emails, and priority items. You create a scheduled once, and CoWork handles it from then on. No more spending the first 30 minutes of your day just getting oriented. CoWork does it. That for you while you are still having your morning coffee. The run views show your history of every task CoWork has executed so you can review what was done and how. CoWork comes with the set of built-in skills. These are pre-installed capabilities that allow it to work across your Microsoft 365 tools without any extra setup. You can read, create, edit Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, and PDF file automatically. It has a daily briefing skill that aggregates your morning update from your calendar, email, and Teams. It's a calendar management skill, can define your focus blocks, classify meetings by purpose, and automate low priority scheduling decisions. If you click on show more, you can see more options here: PowerPoint, HTML, calendar management, daily briefing, meetings, scheduling, communication, skill management, and goal. And there is a goal skill. You set a standing objective, and Cowork keeps working towards it autonomously until it's complete or you cancel it. Cowork is also extensible. Through plugins, it can connect to the tools your teams already use. For example, connect it into a Dynamics 365 sales to pull pipeline data, track opportunities, and automate follow ups right from your task input. Connect it to Dynamics 365 ERP to manage financial and operational workflow. There is also a box, Canva, and more, all discoverable in the plugins gallery. If you click on show more, you can also see a lot of options available. And of course, Microsoft will keep on adding more and more into it. So, what does this mean for you day to day? You reclaim time. Instead of context switching between apps to piece together your day, you describe what you need and CoWork handles the coordination. Getting started is very simple. Open Microsoft 365, click on the CoWork tab, and type your first task in natural language. So, in order to know more about the licensing part, how you can make the co-work into your real life and into your organization, just enroll in this course where we will explore and walk you through all the necessary modules which you really require to make your work autonomous.